Okay, we are going to put together this cute little card. It's a print and cut in my silhouette shop, and it's supposed to resemble a postage stamp. So it's quite simple. This is a really easy project. You're gonna cut out this background piece and the card base on your silhouette machine, and this will be a print and cut, this design here. So first thing we want to do is fold the card on the score lines, and I'm going to give it a good burnish here with my bone folder. I guess that's what that is. And then we're going to set those aside. What I want to do is I want to attach the stamp, the design onto the stamp back. So to do that, I'm just going to use some, I've got some various widths of foam tape. I want to pop this up to give it some dimension. You could also use dots if you wanted. Go ahead and turn this over, and I'm just going to apply the foam tape to the back. And cut it to the correct length. I'm going to do that on all four sides. And I also like to put a little bit in the center, just to give it some stability, I guess, so it doesn't collapse in the middle. You just have to pull off these tapes. And then I'm going to take the stamp back and just carefully align this, just eyeball it, get it straight and centered. And that's that. Then we'll go ahead and put some more tape on this part. Now the silhouette machine had no problem cutting this scalloped edge of the card. So you don't have to be afraid that you're not going to get a good cut. My machine just breezed right through it. I'm using the Cameo 5 with the electrostatic mat. And I tell you what, I love that electrostatic mat. I love it. Absolutely love it. Now here I'm going to try to find where I put those pieces of foam in the middle, so I can feel it there and right here. So I just don't want these to, stack up on top. I want them in different spots on this layer, so it doesn't get too bulky in one spot. Yeah, I love my electrostatic mat, man. It's the best. Just remember to turn it off before you remove your paper. Okay, so here we are. This card opens this way, and now we're going to just eyeball this again. Try to get it in the center, lined up and straight. And and apply it. And there you have it. A really, really pretty card that's got some dimension